Hey y'all, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking some New Orleans style or New Orleans inspired red beans and rice. Okay, fall is upon us finally. I cannot wait for the fall season. That is my favorite season of the year. So fall is finally upon us, and it is now time for these comfort foods that have you feeling all cozy. And red beans and rice is one of my favorite comfort foods for the fall season, even though you can eat it all year round, okay? So we're gonna start with the star of our show, which is our red beans. So I have a bowl here. You can see that there. They have been soaking overnight. I am fresh off of work, just now getting back from the office. So I'm getting ready to drain those beans and then we're gonna get cooking, okay? So if you wanna see how I make my red beans and rice, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Before you put this lid on and do the pressure cook, this is where you want to taste it to make sure it's good to go. So I know mine is good to go, so I'm going to put the lid on now. So now she has sung to me to let me know that she is ready. So I'm going to press pressure cook, and I want to do this for, I'm going to do it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay, my folks gonna be mad, but yeah, I had to work today, okay?